Hi, 你好 I'm Jenny. Welcome to Nonstop Mandarin. Actually, my real name is 加芬 and all my students call me 加芬老师. 老师 means teacher. So you can call me 加芬 or Jenny. I have been teaching Mandarin for 21 years. I love teaching Mandarin, and Nonstop Mandarin is my first YouTube channel. So welcome to join me. In today's lesson, you are going to learn how do people say hello. What's your name? Goodbye in Mandarin Chinese. Before my students open their books, I always teach this sentence. That is, how do you say something in Mandarin or Chinese? Mandarin Chinese Day 1. Let's go. 中文 中文 means Mandarin Chinese. 怎么 means how. 怎么说 means to say. 说中文怎么说？中文怎么说？中文怎么说？中文怎么说？ With 中文怎么说 you can ask all the new words you want to know. Useful, right? So let's practice. 中文怎么说 Hello. 你好。你 means you. 你 Second word 好 means good. 你好你好你好
你好，
你好
你好，
嘿你好
哎，你好，
啊你好
哇，你好，
中文怎么说 What's your name? 你 you 你叫 means call 叫什么 means what 什么名字 means name 名字你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？嘿，你叫什么名字？ When people ask you, 你叫什么名字 You answered, 我叫我 means I. 我叫 means call. So 我叫 For example, 你叫什么名字？我叫加芬。你叫什么名字？我叫 Jenny. So 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？
我叫帅哥，
你叫什么名字？
我叫美女，
你叫什么名字？
我叫英雄，
嘿，你叫什么名字？
我叫雷福。
Before we say goodbye, we need to know how do people say goodbye in Mandarin. Okay. 在 means again. 见 means to see. So 再见 Basically, it means see you again. So 再见 Okay, 英雄中文怎么说 Hello?
你好，
中文怎么说 ？What's your name？
你叫什么名字？
中文怎么说 ？Goodbye。
再见。
Very good. With 中文怎么说 you can learn tons of new words by yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video lesson. Well, you know, being a Mandarin teacher for 21 years, making a video lesson is my very first time. Everything is so new. And that's why I call my channel Non-Stop Mandarin, because non-stop Mandarin, non-stop learning, okay? If you have any question with learning Mandarin Chinese, or you need a private Mandarin tutor on Skype, you can reach me at nonstopmandarin@gmail.com. And you can follow Nonstop Mandarin on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you for watching Nonstop Mandarin. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. 再见. Oh wait, look at this beautiful sunset. 再见。